Now we're ready to add a thank you page to our contact form. Let's go up to Insert, select Page, choose this page, enter the title, Thank You, click OK. Now we're looking at the new thank you page. Obviously we're not going to need the contact form, so we can select all of it and delete it. Now we can insert some text, just plain text. Change that to thank you. Now let's make it a little bit bigger and change the font color to white. There we go. Now we need to deselect everything on the page. So we'll right click, go to Select, and Deselect All. If Deselect All is not an option, that means nothing is selected on the workspace. Let's go to Properties tab in the Inspector tool. Scroll down to the bottom. Double click on the value column next to File Name, which should be under the Web Page section. Delete the current contents, if there is any. Type in thankyou.html, all lowercase with no spaces. Click OK. And as far as WebEasy goes, that's it. We just need to build our website. So go to Build, Website, All Pages, Publish on the Internet. Click OK. Overwrite existing package. Click OK. Now we'll select the package and then connect to our hosting provider. Close the information window. Click Next. Now the new version of our site has been uploaded to our hosting provider. So we can click Finish. Now we need to make one slight modification to our PHP formular script. So we'll go back over to Notepad++, where we already have the file open. We'll go down to the header section, and right before the last double quote, we'll put /thankyou.html, all lowercase with no spaces. We'll save this. And now we'll need to upload the new version to our hosting provider. I have the file stored on my desktop, so I can drag it over to FileZilla, which I've already connected to the hosting provider. You just drag and drop the file over here. It's uploaded, so now we can go over to our website, refresh to make sure it's the newest version of the website, and now we can test it out. Just type in testing, click Submit, and now we're redirected to our thank you page.